السلام عليكم بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربي يسر ولا تعسر ربي وتمم بالخير اللهم اجعل القرآن ربيع قلوبنا ونور صدورنا اللهم آمين. So we are starting our today's session. So we were doing the verbal and nominal sentence. Today we'll give the last just last briefing or last today will the last session on this verbal and nominal sentence, and then we will go for the next session, next topic, inshallah. So just I would like that Brother Hamad, if he can just explain about the nominal sentence and verbal sentence briefly.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Walaikum salam, Hamad bhai.
So nominal sentences, basically, they start with the nouns. So the noun, the starting noun has to be in rafa form, and it has to be, most of the time it's in rafa form, but it is a proper noun. And and the starting noun, which is in rafa form, we call it as mubtada. And there is a second part of the nominal sentence, khabar. So the khabar is also in a rafa form, and it can be multiple. Same thing with the mubtada, can be one or more than one, and khabar can be one or more than one, and it has to be in rafa form. It may or may not be there in the nominal sentence. And there is a third part of nominal sentence, which is the mutalliq bil khabar. So mutalliq bil khabar is other stuff about the nominal sentence in the nominal sentence. And when there is a jar majroor in the nominal sentence or special mudaf alayh, so that is basically mutalliq bil khabar. It may or may not be there, and it can also be multiple, more than one.
More than.
So the second type of sentence is a verbal sentence. So the verbal sentence start with the verb, and it has a file, and the file should always be there. And there is a action in that verb, which is fi'l, and there is a maf'ul. So the maf'ul can be there or not, and not there. And there is an example for this. Do you have an example here?
Yeah.
Okay. So for example, it's Nasara al-Muslimu. So Nasara, basically, by looking at it, it is a verb, it's not a noun. And it has an inside doer, he. So he helped. So, and then we need to look for an outside doer. And what we will do is actually find another noun in the verbal sentence, which has a marfu status. So we will start from the marfu status, which is in the outside doer, and then translate from that. So, for example, in this one, Nasr al-Muslimu means the Muslim helped.
Okay. And outside door and inside door, and outside door should match only in.
So outside doer match only in gender, but not necessarily in number.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then inside doer, if only in Failul Madi and Mudari, if it's a he and he, then we will look for the outside doer. Otherwise, we won't.
Otherwise, we won't. Thank you very much, Ahmad bhai. Very nice. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. So today, we just look at both together, verbal sentence and nominal sentence. This very simple concept, but we will see that how when we change the sentence arrangement, so how the meaning is changing, but how nominal sentence are important, or what they do normally. So verbal sentence, basically they are the regular sentence, like allama al-muslimu. So it will be Allama al-Muslimu. Brother Abdul Mujib, can you please just explain this? Allama al-Muslimu, inside doer, and Allama means he taught.
Yeah, so Allama is he taught, and Al Muslimu, so because there is Allama is the inside doer is he, we need to look for an outside doer. So the outside doer in this case is Muslim. So we translate it as the Muslim taught.
Muslim. Yeah, thank you. One thing I should tell you for all the participants, we have very good addition these days too. We have one brother brother Abdul Mujib, who was attending our other classes, and he was promoted to in this advanced class. Very good addition. And we have another participant, Nisar, who is also my nephew. He's joining us from Scotland. So they both are very good addition, and may Allah make them their heart full of spring, and their interest in Quran is there. Alhamdulillah. So welcome you, both of you, in our classes. So Allama al-Muslimu, the Muslim taught here. Similarly, if we go to if we change it, and it will be al-Muslimu allama. Now, mubtada is here. This is a verbal sentence, regular sentence, and we just translated the Muslim ta. If we just change the position, al-Muslimu allama. Now it starts with noun, so it's the nominal sentence. So mubtada will be al-Muslimu, and allama will be basically khabar. Okay. So if we just here try to translate this, so it will be the Muslim he taught. So what is going on here? Here basically this is most nominal sentence, but it is giving more emphasis, or is express more clarification. It gives more emotions to that. So these nominal sentence, they are also used for emphasis, like allama al muslimu, the Muslim taught. Okay. Now here al muslimu allama, here al muslimu we have to translate is like the Muslim, and then allama he taught. So on he, the Muslim, there is basically there is more emphasis, more clarification on there. Similarly here, if we say yahdillahu, I would ask Anusha.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Anusha, can you please translate this yahdillahu?
Okay, I just need to ask, what does yahdi mean?
Yahdi, can you please tell me? Hada?
Hada yahdi,
Yes. Hada means?
I know the first word, but I can't really remember the
Okay, hadaya.
Guidance?
Hada, guidance. So hada meaning, the first starting word is hada.
He guided.
Okay, start with hada and reach at yahdi.
Okay. Hada, hadu, hadaita, hadaitum,
Hada,
hadaitu.
hadau.
Oh, hadaw, hadaita, hadaitum, hadaitu, hadaina, yahdi.
Yahdi. Yahdi meaning?
He guide or he will guide.
Okay. If yahdillahu, is it verbal sentence or nominal sentence?
That's verbal sentence.
Verbal. Why?
Because there's inside doer and an outside doer, and it's
How you will recognize? You will recognize the verbal sentence with inside doer or something else?
there's also something else. It's
What is that
fa'il,
something
fair.
else? It
Fa'il.
starts with fail. Yeah, it starts
Okay.
with verb. That's it.
Yeah, that's fair.
And now if start is verb, then the second thing, there will be a doer, and there is an inside doer is?
He.
And when their inside doer is he or?
She. There's an outside doer.
Outside doer. There might be outside doer, and outside doer will be?
Allah.
Why Allah is outside doer?
Because it's Rafa.
Rafa state. So how you will translate it?
Allah guides. Allah guides.
Now come here, the same, change it. Let's bring Allah before Yahdi.
Okay. So if it's Allahu Yahdi, it means Allah, he guides.
So what is the difference between both sentences? What happened here?
Verbal sentences are like just normal sentences, and like that one, like the nominal one, like express more feelings or like more clarification.
More that. So here more emphasis on
Allah.
Allah, that Allah, He guides. So when it comes like this noun and then Yahdi, Allahu Yahdi, Allah, He guides. And here we translate it, Allah guides, replacement of this. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, I would go to Tanjeen because he has to leave. So,
Assalamu
Walaikum
alaikum.
assalam. Tanjeen, go ahead, read this.
Oh, crap. Read. Where are you pointing at?
Haramullah.
Haramullah hada.
Okay. Harama means?
Harama. That means forbidden.
Yeah, he forbidden, okay, but harama meaning there don't skip the doer. There is a doer as
Don't.
well. Harama. Yeah,
Sorry.
action is forbid. So harama means
Harama. To forbid.
Allah. What is the meaning of allama?
Taught. He taught.
He taught.
Harama.
Similarly,
He
harama,
forbid. He forbade.
he forbade. Okay, next.
Allah
Haza.
has this.
This. Now, this is a sentence. Tell me, is it verbal sentence or nominal sentence?
Allah forbid. Allah forbade this.
I ask you, is it verbal sentence or
Verbal.
nominal? Why it is
It's-
verbal?
Because harama is madi.
Yeah, it's a verb. So inside doer is
Harama.
in harama. What is the doer? What is inside doer?
So the inside door is harama.
No, doer.
The inside door. Allah.
No. Harama. What is the meaning of? Okay, let's start with allama. Allama means
Taught. He taught.
he taught. So what is inside doer?
Or he is the
He.
inside door.
He is inside door. Same here.
So
Harama
harama
means
is he is the inside door.
yeah, he. If there is inside door is he or she, what you have to do?
Find the outside door.
And outside door should be?
Should be in Rafa status.
Okay. Do you find any Rafa status? here?
Allah.
Allah. So what you do, you will replace that inside door with outside door.
Yeah.
Okay, now translate it.
Harama, he forbade. So the running translation, Allah forbade this.
Allah forbade this. So you just start with Allah because doer is now here Allah. Now same thing. If we just put Allah before harama, so now it will be what type of sentence it will be now?
Nominal sentence.
Nominal sentence. And now how you will translate this?
Oh, like he forbid Allah, he forbade this.
Allah. First you say Allah, then you cannot start from here because this is nominal sentence. You have to start from here. Allah. Then
Allah,
what you say?
he forbade this.
He forbade this. So here mubtada is Allah and remaining everything is khabar here. So here what is going on here? So we are just putting more
Emphasis
emphasis on
on
Allah. So these
Allah.
nominal sentence sometime used for emphasis. So this is thank you, Tanjeen. Okay, let me go to brother Ahmed.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम
Alaikum assalam. Go ahead.
uh,
Next sentence.
यामुरु sorry
Yeah,
this is यामुरुकुमुल्लाह this is verbal sentence amara ya'muru he ordered you all
he orders.
yeah he sorry it's mudare he orders you all and we will find the inside word is he, so Allah will be replaced. Allah orders you all.
Allah orders you all. So it is jumla failiya and start with
Yes,
this.
it's
And if we want to put emphasis, okay, so what will we do? We will make this verbal sentence as,
a nominal sentence.
and how it will
And
become nominal sentence? We will bring Allah before that. So it will be now,
Allah, he orders you all.
Allah, he orders you all. So here, what is happening there?
Allah came before in the sentence, so it becomes nominal sentence, and just to emphasize it.
Yeah, now it is emphasized. So it will be there in Quran. Sometime it happened that there is mubtada is the beginning, and then remaining sentence is the separate. That we can say that is basically another verbal sentence, but that is overall for whole sentence. That is a khabar of this. Here Allah is mubtada and remaining thing is khabar. And then we khabar we can analyze again for this. Thank you. Let me Saad Iqbal.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, ya Saad. Go ahead.
Allah, Ya'lamullah. Ya'lamu is the first word is alima ya'lamu. Bab samia yasma'u. Alima means he knew. Ya'lamu is he knows or he will know. Allah. So ya'lamu is verb and the inside doer is he. So we will look for the outside doer, which is Allah in marfu status, and Allah will replace the he. So it will be Allah knows.
Allah knows. And now if we change Allah, we bring Allah before in the beginning of sentence. So what will happen?
It will become a jumla ismiya. Allah, Allah, ya'lamu, he knows. So it will be Allah, he knows.
So what happened here? We are putting more
Emphasis.
emphasis on Allah. MashaAllah, ya Ustaz Saad. MashaAllah. Thank you very much. So just the last is Brother Ashar.
Assalamu.
Just first sentence, just describe, is it nominal sentence, verbal sentence, and parts of that? Allahu.
It is nominal sentence.
Okay. What is
Because of-
mubtada?
Mubtada is Allah.
Okay. What about remaining things?
على كل شيء is متعلق بالخبر and قدير خبر.
Qadir is khabar. Allahu qadirun.
Allah
Allahu
قدير.
qadirun.
Qadir.
Allahu ala kulli shayin, basically muta'alliq bil khabar, and qadir is
Khabar.
khabar. So this is Allahu qadirun. Okay, go ahead. Translate it.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Allah is all powerful upon everything.
Everything. So we have to go to the breakout room so that we can just lastly see the verbal sentence, their part, nominal sentence, and how for emphasis how we can use these nominal sentence. Over to you, Doctor.